Okay, let's start it again. Yeah, now we're back in YouTube Studio Live. Let's see if I get the picture. Okay, now I got the picture. So anyway, this is going to be my third time today that I try and get the live stream to work. It's been cutting out the audio, and then it's getting their stream health error messages about not having enough health in the streaming of the video. So I had to actually take away those streams and try and restart them in various ways. Now actually restarted my computer from scratch just to see if that would be something that's causing some headaches. Yeah, but anyway, start from the beginning again. So anyway, channels hit 800 views per 48 hours again, which is actually quite nice. Doesn't happen that often, but yeah, thanks to all the viewers out there. That's great. Keep up the good work. Seems like the channel's doing a GameStop. You know, if you've been following the news. It's quite an interesting thing. All the professional investors are so angry that their tricks didn't really work. Yeah, I actually was able to set up OBS for 4K also, so I could actually. I'm streaming using XSplit, and I could actually stream from OBS also. I actually found out how to get 4K to work in OBS. It has this. You go into a setting, and it's a drop-down menu, and the drop-down menu contains the supported resolutions of the display you're running OBS on, which are the ones you can select, and then you can actually write in the resolution you want to use. So it's not very intuitive. I mean, so you had to understand that okay, if you want to feed from an external 4K video camera or something, then you actually have to write the 4K resolution in that box and don't care about the the drop-down options provided. So that confused me for a bit, so I didn't really understand what was going on until I did some Google searches. Yeah, and I've been studying how to use Resolve, DaVinci Resolve, and I've always used the edit mode for most of what I've been doing. So if somebody's familiar with Resolve, so there's different modes you can run inside Resolve for doing things, and I've always used the edit mode. And they have a mode which is called Cut, but I've never really looked into it. But now I actually studied DaVinci's book on it. I don't have it here. Actually show it. Just a sec. So this one. Beginner's Guide to DaVinci Resolve. And it actually has a section on Cut, how to use Cut. So I actually studied up on that. Now I actually have migrated to using only Cut. So it's actually quite fast to build a video. So I sort of import the media there. And I preview the media, and then I trim it, and then I put it into the timeline. And then the only thing I find that's not very good in Cut is to adjust the audio. So that I actually go to Edit to adjust the audio. Even though they actually have a dedicated mode for audio handling, but that's too complicated for me. I don't understand. I just need to study more of the book to really understand how that works. And then there are some transforms that aren't that, or not, at least I don't understand how you access them from within Cut. So then you can do the basics in terms of transform in Cut, but if you want to do more advanced features, then you actually have to go else. And I've been trying to improve the quality of my videos by actually reducing the length and cutting out bits that don't make any sense. So adding transforms without making it too gimmicky. I don't want to make the videos just like a hook, some videos where you get the impression that the only reason they exist is to show how good the person is at using transforms and tricks and terps and videos and stuff. Video editing, special effects. I'll try to keep it so that I would actually like to have a video where you actually don't see that it's been edited. Like you get the feeling that it hasn't been edited at all, that it just like flows as much as possible without like jarring you with too many special effects. So anyway, I can recommend look into Cut. If you're using Resolve, I would suggest study or online study or otherwise look up how to use Cut. I can recommend that. So now it's been running for over 5 minutes, this stream, and it has not given an error yet. So I wonder if it was my computer that was causing the problem. I do know one should probably restart the PC before one starts a stream. Should have that as a rule, but sometimes I'm a bit lazy. Don't always want to restart the computer. I have so many windows open. Anyway, moving on. Yes, and I also have received this. I have no time to. Actually, it came with this magazine that I have subscribed to. So it's their. It's a very good magazine, but I actually find it having a problem of finding time to read each edition. So now I put it on hold for a while. There's a lot. I would recommend go watch a review of this. This is actually it's very interesting, and I'm actually going to do. I don't think I'll do an unboxing or a review directly of the Pico. I think I'm gonna build a project around it. So the Pico will be part and package of something else that I do. So that'll be coming. So I don't really know what yet. And those that have been following my previous live streams, my initiative towards what do you call it? Oh, come on, I forgot the word. Not legacy, but retro single board computers. That was the word I was looking for. So in the bygone days, they used to use Motorola, quite extensively use Motorola processors on single board computers. So I actually got myself my own personal 68040. At least it says that it is. It's from eBay. So I'm going to actually try and build some CPU training or general introductions into CPU technology with this chip. The only problem is that it comes in this kind of a form factor of a socket, where it sits in a socket like that. So I think I'm going to actually have to make a circuit board or find a design for a limited circuit board so I can actually connect it in. And then I've been thinking about investing in some a little bit more advanced logic analyzer equipment. No, I mean not super expensive, hobbyist level stuff. And I actually found a 34 channel Hantec logic analyzer that I think I'm going to buy. It's you connect it to the PC and then you have you can connect the probe lines. Because this the 68040 is a natively 32-bit data bus and a 32-bit address bus with a memory management unit. So it was quite advanced for its time. And it would, I think, make a good platform for training around CPUs. I mean, the one thing nowadays is you really don't see the processor if you're dealing with ESP32 type stuff and other related like Raspberry Pi, where you have everything's on a system on a chip, so the processor is actually hidden away inside the system on the chip. So you in that chip you have both. You have the processor, the memory, the I/O logic, and the only pins that you have out to the outside world are not related directly, often not directly related to the processor in question that's embedded. So you actually you can't measure and see how the processor works. You just see the I/O. So I don't know. We'll see. Can't promise when there will be anything that I'll make videos about. But I used to like the Motorola series processors a long time ago. I thought that was a very nice instruction. It's got a RISC type instruction set. Then I was thinking maybe one could make kind of a I don't know, a retro switching panel, so you have actual toggle switches and buttons and stuff. To be able to set the individual bytecode. So yeah, we'll see. Well, the stream seems to be stable. So now it's been running for 11 minutes and it seems to be stable. So that's nice. No, I would like live streaming to be as effortless as possible, so that one can actually just start and then go through the agenda and not have to deal with technology. Well, I must say that, yeah, quite a lot of it's fighting still even today, fighting the technology. Hey, anyway, yeah, I want to advertise. I actually have a merch store now set up for the Tech Rabbit, and then I also have set up a link for so that you can buy me coffee. So if anybody feels sorry for me making videos during the night, which I actually do, I'm getting tired, and he wants to give me a boost, then buy me a coffee. Yeah. That's the thing. This is like the honestly speaking, the third time I'm going through this topic list, because I've had two previous. This is the fourth streaming attempt now. So I did one yesterday, total screw up. There was audio missing from 80% of the stream. And actually, I don't know if this stream is not dropping audio either, because that I only found out after I'd ended the stream. So we'll see if the audio is missing from this stream, then I'll make this stream disappear. A bit of a pity. I actually haven't found out when I broadcast from XSplit. I have not found out how to monitor the audio feed, because the bit rate that it gives is a kind of a sum of a bit rate coming into YouTube. So I haven't found out how to actually specifically see the audio part of it. Yeah, let's see. I was going to have a look what's been going on lately on the channel. So those of you that have been following the channel, so you see that I picked up on more like electronics themes videos, and I will I kind of plan to continue down that line also. So I was thinking of like every Tuesday is more of a general video, possibly of more general interest, and then Fridays would be electronics day. So then each Friday there would be an electronics video, either for basic electronics or something a bit more advanced. So we'll see. I have lots of material for that. So, and then also the 3D printing part will stay on Tuesdays. So if I do more on 3D printing, which I actually have on the schedule also to do, still continue working on 3D printing stuff, or general stuff for the channel, like PC upgrades or channel upgrades. Also have those on Tuesdays. And then live streaming, I was thinking I'd keep it on Sundays, like Sunday evenings, my local Central European time. As long as I can just get the streams to work reliably, so I don't have to be scared that the audio is lost. Which sometimes happens. Yeah. And a lot of the electronic, like now I've done video about my power supply I bought quite a long time ago, and my signal generator. So I'm actually making content of equipment that I've invested in quite a long time ago. I mean, wasn't investing for YouTube for that. In those days, it was investing for my own hobby, which is electronics. Well, it's actually nice to be able to repurpose that as props for new video. I wonder if we should just have a shorter stream this time. This time I'd like to actually go and check if the audio survived. But anyway, if the audio survived, then you are watching this video now. If the audio stream is not there, then you're not watching this video because I've taken it away. So anyway, I'll see you in the next stream or the next video. Have a good evening.